Let's look at how to buy shares of Intertek Group, a global testing, inspection, and certification company listed on the LSE plc under the ticker ITRK.L. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and investing carries risk. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ITRK.L to find Intertek Group. Select the matching LSE listing to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker ITRK.L to make sure this is the correct Intertek listing. To place an order, choose Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details including order type and estimated fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is confirmed. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For the example platform link, see the description below if you want to explore eToro further.